What are you seeing right now?
Well, apart from all the concerns and negative outlooks in terms of what's happening over the next 6 months, uh, we're actually in a position that we think on the other side of that, there are a whole lot of opportunities. We're actually a little bit excited about the opportunities that are come to many of our clients and generally to Australian businesses after we get through this period. We think there's going to be an increased focus on security in Australia. You don't have to, I think everyone would recognise that. So food security will be an issue. Energy security will be an issue. Biosecurity, of course, will be an issue. Border security will become an even bigger issue than it has been in the past. Right through to defence, security and so forth. There'll be this, globalisation has created a lot of wealth in the world. It's also created a number of negative things as well, but we think there'll be something of a step back in terms of at least having, national security over your supply chain. We don't want to be running out of petrol or oil. We don't want to be Australia shouldn't run out of food, and we only consume about 25% of the food that we grow. So, but there are certain types of food that we need to have security over. So we think there'll be a lot of business coming back onshore that has gone offshore over the last 25 years of globalised industry. So we think that's a big positive. I mean, that's probably going to make things a little more expensive for consumers, but that's the trade-off that we think will happen.